Well, it sure looks like this is going to be it. The final big league appearance for Kerry Wood. You saw him shake Lester Strode's hand in the bullpen. That's unusual. Done the runner at first. 3-2 White Sox. And Viciedo does swing and foul it off on a 95-mile-an-hour fastball. Bounced foul. The 0-2. Swing and a miss. He struck him out. 2 down. This is the 446th career appearance for Kerry. Number 341 as a Cub. And again, the stuff looks really good, doesn't it? And that's going to be it. Jamie Quirks coming out. We'll let the crowd take you to break. Keep it right here. Wow, what a moment. And his son Justin giving him a big hug and a standing ovation.